In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download slides as PDF or PPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save a copy of your presentation in the format that's best for sharing, printing, or editing elsewhere, without changing the original file. Start by opening your presentation. Make sure you're looking at the correct deck and that any last-minute edits are saved, so the version you download is the one you want to share. Once your slides are open, go to the menu at the top and click File. In that menu, choose Download. This is the option that creates a copy of your presentation and places it on your device. When the download options appear, pick the format that matches your goal. Choose Microsoft PowerPoint with the .pptx extension if you want a fully editable file that can be opened in most modern slide apps. This is ideal for collaborating with others, making further design changes, or presenting offline while keeping animations, transitions, and speaker notes intact in a format designed for editing. Keep in mind that if your original presentation uses custom fonts or add-ons, another computer may display slight differences unless those resources are also available there. Choose PDF document with the .pdf extension if you want a locked-in, shareable version that preserves the layout and is easy to view on almost any device. PDFs are great for printing, emailing, or posting where you want a consistent look. And they typically have smaller file sizes, and while hyperlinks usually remain clickable, animations and embedded media don't play in PDFs because the content is flattened into pages for reliable viewing. After you click your preferred format, the file will download to your device. You'll usually see it appear in your browser's download area, and it will also be saved in your system's default downloads folder unless you've set a different location. The file name will typically match your presentation's title along with the chosen extension, so it's clear which version you have. That's all there is to it. Open your presentation, go to File, select Download, choose PowerPoint for an editable copy or PDF for a fixed, shareable version, and the file will be saved to your device. This simple workflow ensures you can distribute a professional-looking deck in seconds, whether you're collaborating with teammates or sharing a polished, print-ready handout. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.